ABCD is a rectangle. AB is 60, so let's label that. And BC is 36. So BC is 36. Find the angle between the diagonal and the side AB. The diagonal is that line there. So the angle between it and AB. So can you see the angle that's being traced out? It's this angle in here. So let's call that X. We don't need to think of that as a rectangle. Just look at the triangle. So let's ignore all that. So let's find the angle. Find X. Well, if we label the sides, we've got opposite the angle will be your O. And then next to your adjacent the angle then is A. Leaving out H because it's the longest side hypotenuse opposite the right angle. So the angle, let's go with the equation we use. We use TOA, tan X equals opposite over adjacent. We use that because we've got O and A, which matches up with TOA. We then substitute in the values. We don't know what X is, so it stays there. The opposite is 36, the adjacent is 60. To then work out angle X, we have to do the tan inverse of that fraction. And do that in your calculator, and you should get 30.96. So let's go with 31.0 to 3 significant figures. And that question's in meters. That's part A. Part B is to find the length of the diagonal. Now you can use trigonometry to do that, but you can also use another method, going back to second year, which is Pythagoras' theorem. We are trying to find AC, which is the hypotenuse, the longest side. You can remember that the longest side squared, or the hypotenuse squared, is equal to the short side squared plus the other short side squared. So we're trying to work out the hypotenuse squared, which is equal to 36 squared plus 60 squared. Put that in the calculator, we get 4,896. And that means that the hypotenuse is going to be the square root of that. So we square root that number, and that gives us 69.97. So I'm going to actually round that to 70.0 meters. To 3 significant figures. Now, you ask, well, how do we use trigonometry? You might have to go a few lessons further on to know how to do that. So we'll just leave it with Pythagoras' theorem for now.